You said never let me go. You said never let me go. You said never let me.
Hi, today we will be exploring how we can create a batch file in order to ping multiple IP addresses with the same batch file. So I will be trying to ping Google primary and secondary IP addresses with the same .bat type format. So we need to type at echo off initially. So we will type it here. Then after that we will type start and space with double quotes, and under this you can type the command you want here in order to remember. So I will type Google primary IP address here because I will be providing the Google primary address next to it. Space, and you need to type ping command, and along with the ping command you need to type the IP address, which is 8.8.8.8 and -t. Then we'll copy this line and we'll paste it on the second line, and we'll change the IP address as it is 8.8.4.4, and we'll change the command also, which is Google's secondary IP address. Okay, after that we will type pause, and now we need to save it as a .bat format. So we will save as, and we will name the file as ipping.bat, and we'll save it on the desktop. Okay, so now we'll refresh, and the IP ping, it is available. So now I will run this bat file, and it will successfully show the reply, and the connectivity is there.